Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are doing great. All right, it's another opportunity, another chance, another day. My friend, today we are going to talk about the TFX Gold Hunter, the results for November, and we are going to do this live back testing here with with some of the secrets that I would like to remind you. Remember, we have the videos about the back testing, the results of TFX Gold Hunter for October. We have September, and other months. Yeah, we have several videos about the backtesting. I think the month that we were missing, it's only this last month, which is November. And this is why we I'm recording this video to show you the power of TFX Gold Hunter. This is the system that deals with only gold or metals. Very soon we are going to add more metals. This is the reason why we advanced the TFX Gold Hunter. For those people who have the TFX Gold Hunter, you really need this updated because we have the buttons here. You can also pick the trades, but this is preparation because of the other metals that we are going to add, because this will be dealing with every metals in MT4 and MT5 platform. So it's good to get it early as possible. And also don't forget, guys, it is the system is among our best of the EA that we are giving with the Christmas offer. Only $600, my friend, if you'll be among the 10 seats that will end on 15th. But from there, from date 16th of this December 2024, the Christmas offer will be 1,000. But for now, we have already preserved 10 seats, guys, to give you with only $600 any EA here of your choice. You can get the TFX Gold Hunter, my friend, if you really love to trade gold without blowing your account. Let's not go into details here because I think I've already shared about this Christmas offer. So today we are going to do the TFX Gold Hunter back testing with the setup of doubling your account. And this is the setup we say somehow it's what people call high risk. But our high risk here, you are only risking 30% of your account, not more than 30%. It is 30% and below. To us, that is the high risk. But the more you have the high risk, the more you have a high or a good return. High risk, good return. And remember, this 30%, we are not saying that you are going to lose 30%. No, you are risking 30% before the EA recovering, maybe if there was a loss. And this is why I would like you to follow this video closely so that you can watch what I'm telling you step by step. What is this 30%? We will see it in live back testing. And remember, there is also a setup of a scalping whereby you can exit from the market with only 10 in every trade. You can exit from the market with 10 or 20% of your equity, or 5 to 20% of your equity. That is like of the scalping. But the setup that I'm sharing now, or the testing we are doing now, it's how you can double 100% doubling your account in every month. What is the difference between exiting from the market with maybe 5% of your equity or 10% of your equity? What is the difference in between there and the setup that we are saying it's for doubling your account in every month? The reason, if you exit, let's say, for example, this is $10,000. This means if we want to exit from the market with 10% dollars, when the EA reached $1,000 in profit, it will exit from the market automatically and wait for other setups. The good thing about that, you avoid some of the stop losses, because every time when the EA picks the trade, we go maybe profit of 2,000, 3,000, 1,000, then maybe it can reverse and hit your stop loss. So before it returns and hit your stop loss, this tells you that you'll have already exit from the market. All right, so that is the secret that you must know, why you should why exiting from the market earlier. It is because you want to avoid some of the of the stop loss. So the risk is very, very low, yet the return also it will be maybe very low, because maybe by the end of the month, maybe you'll have 50%, 100% of your equity, 50%. All right. So that I cannot 100% promise you that you can double your account, but you can also double account with that. That will depend with the condition of the market. Remember, the system does not control the market, but that is the option, that is the choice if you want to do that. But if you want, and I think I will share the video live about last month exiting from the market with 10 to 20%. All right, we'll share that video. But in this video, let us learn about how to double your account. The difference is here. Sometimes you can experience even 2,000, 3,000, but the EA, it won't exit from the market. All right, and this one, sometimes or many times, we pray for them to hit our stop loss so that it can increase it can increase the profit. It's very, very different with what people think or fear the stop loss. This one, sometimes you pray, I pray today they hit my stop loss so that I can I can bank more profit, because it cannot exit from the market earlier without recovering and give you even more than 3, 5 times, 10 times of what they took from you. So sometimes we pray they hit your stop loss so that you can teach them a lesson. All right. So this one, you might experience several a stop loss than when you are exiting market with 10%. But all of them, you must make profit. And one thing we promise you 100% is that you won't blow your account in either, whether you want to exit with 5 to 20%, or you want to exit by, you want to double your account every month. All right. So there is no setup here that will blow your account. This is the choice. We give you the varieties so that you can choose what you want in the market. Do you want to double your account, or you want just to do scalping, whatever it will provide, it will give you, or by the end of the month, whether it is 50% of your account, whether it's 100%, you are good with it. But if your plan, the reason why we have the plan of doubling your account in every month, it is because of those people who want to employ themselves and get out of from the maybe being employed. Be the boss of yourself, guys. And remember, we also have the rules of when you are doing the back testing. All right. So let's begin and see everything. And I told you, when you're doing the back testing, if you want it to go fast, if you want the back testing to fasten the back testing, you can minimize here. All right. If you minimize here, it's like you have increased the speed. All right. The speed will be increased from there. All right. It has taken the trades. So if you minimize, when you're doing the back testing, you have you increase the speed. All right. So, but now allow me not to minimize, because I want you to see everything, because I want to share with you something that is very important of why exiting from the market with the 10 or 20%. Like now, you see, we are in 17. We were even in $2,000. So it would have exit earlier with only maybe $1,000 if the target was 10%. But because now we want more profit and we are praying for them to hit our targets, you can see we're in $7,000. So this tells you the mission here, it is to double the account. This is live for November 2024. Let's see. And it is the work of the EA to know when to exit. It has already exit strategy 1. All right. We are still holding some coins here. Already we have banked 6,000. Let's wait. It is the work of the EA, guys, to exit from the market. Sometimes it's good to, Forex is for the risk takers. That's what I can say. The Forex market is for the risk takers. You can see now we are almost doubling our account with only one position. Oh my. But let's continue. Let's watch this video. I would like you to take the cup of water, or maybe cup of coffee, glass of water, hot water, cold water, my friend, as we watch this, because this is what you really need to see, because this is live performance. Instead of, oh, my friend, can I have it for testing? There is nothing perfect than back testing. Now, let's watch this. Let's watch this and see how the performance is. Right. You can see with only this 1 week, we were in 1,000. So you will have already exit from the market, maybe with that 10% or 5% before hitting your stop loss. All right, they have hit our stop loss. We have lost almost 3,000. Let's see the good thing about the system, how to recover. See, it has already opened the trailing to recover the losses. We are already in 2,000, but it cannot exit just like that. You can see we are recovering 3,000. The good thing that it must show us the money that we are recovering here. So we are still in a losses of 3,000. But let me ask you, because you are watching this closely, you can pause, even rewind this video. They didn't take anything from our account. This is their profit. All right, we are in a good profit, even if we are covering 3,000, not the 3,000 from our equity. So this tells us now, if we are continue risking 30% of our account, my friend, they haven't touched our account. It is the profit here that we are recovering. Why are we recovering the profit? Because it was once in our account, so it is still our money. Oh my. So I just want you to watch this closely and see if they will touch our account. All right, so you can see, if you are exiting from the market with 10 or 20%, you would have already exit with that profit. But this is what I'm telling you about. When they hit our stop loss, we bank more money. You can see someone who was targeting 10 to 20% every time when the EA picks the trades, because we have all of those setups. This time you would have already exited from the market, all right? Because we are in a profit of 2,000. It was almost even 3,000, all right? And because you can rewind and watch this thing closely. I'm doing this very fast because I don't want this video to bore you, but this is the secret. This is what you have been looking for. So you don't have to say, oh, it is very long, it's taking time. It must, because it is what builds your confidence. This is a live back testing, a live testing. All right, my friend. So the difference is here. Now, we are still continuing. We are already seen that we were in the profit of more than 20% of the equity, all right? And now, I'm saying 20% because it was $10,000. Now, the EA didn't pick or take the profit. Let's watch this. What I'm telling you, it's our prayer that they can hit our stop loss. We have refused to take 3,000, all right? Or we have refused to take 20% of our equity, because our goal here, it is to double our account. And if we haven't doubled our account, what are we expecting? To hold. So we don't care about now $3,000. That is like cents. Oh my. Okay, let's drop now the and see how the market is going. We are still recovering 3,000. All right, so let's continue and see. And that 3,000, remember, it is the one we have refused to take, because one thing when we are having this setup of recovering, or this setup of doubling your account, we don't exit from the market immediately after recovering. So if we were trading that of 10%, and maybe we experienced, we were to recover 3,000, and already the total profit here was $3,000, it would have exit from the market, because that one is with the low risk. But this one, because it is a high risk of risking your 30% of your account, whereby you can never lose that one. And we have seen we haven't even experienced that in our real money. So that is the difference in between the low and high risk. So the low risk, you would have exit from the market and wait for a new setup. But a high risk, we are still experiencing, after refusing taking 3,000, we have started experiencing some losses. So we refuse to take 3,000. Oh my, 3,000 is a lot. 3,000 is a lot. This is why you need to have a principle, and the never break your principle. If your target, you have decided it is to double your account, don't change your mind. If you have decided you want to do scalping, that of 5 to 20%, don't change your mind, because jumping from here to there, that's when you don't know if you are profitable. That's why you are not profitable in Forex market, because of jumping from here to there. All right. So it is good to understand and to have to be a principled person when it comes to trading. Never change the plan, especially you're having a good system like this one that is working. Work with a purpose. If your purpose is to, you can see now they have hit our stop loss, but we are still dropping. Oh my, 3,000 now, 600, all right, plus 3,000. So this is almost 6,000 now. We are recovering almost 6,000. High risk, but they haven't touched our account. We are still in profit of 3,000. See here, we are still in profit of 3,000. So if we close this, all right, through this, we still have our 16. But I told you, I've been telling you several times, 100 million times, it is impossible for them to hit your stop loss more than twice or thrice. All right. So let us watch this now and see the benefit of a high risk game. All right. The benefit of high risk. You can see we have the trailing here now to save our money. But now the trailing is following. It's following the trend to make sure that we are having a good profit. You can see we are already 7,000, but the EA cannot take the profit until, because there is detectors here. There is detectors to detect if the market is about to reverse. When it will detect that the market is about to have a strong reversal, that is when it will exit from the market. This is why I'm telling you, our system, they have signal generators and they also have the detectors to detect. So you can see we are already in $11,000. This tells you the person who are exiting from the market with just 5, 10, 20%, you would have exit yet. You would have some money there, like $2,000. But let me tell you, it is good to have sometimes a courage of high risk. It has already exited from the market. It has already doubled the account with only one that trade of trying to recover. Yes, we lost like 6,000, all right? But we have recovered more than that, double of that. And now the account, it is $27,000. Oh my, and it's still debt 7. So this means if you are targeting to double your account, you have already done that 150%. So let's watch again. Let's continue because it is still early, date 7, and see if they will come for their money or we will make more money. I'm keeping you busy, guys, to still to continue giving you the ideas of the system. So let's watch and see. I told you, take a cold or hot glass of water and watch like a movie. This is what you really need, the bunker of the gold. All right, let's watch. Don't forget, we still have some money here to recover, but remember, we are not experiencing any losses, all right? But we are still have some money to recover here. Again, let's watch. We don't care. You can see now the account from 27 now to 21. Let's watch. I'm telling you, this is the real banker. This is the real banker. And our prayer sometimes let them hit our stop loss so that we can teach them a lesson. Let them hit our stop loss so that we can teach them the lesson. The 100% promise here is that it can never blow your account. Let's watch this and see. All right. Another good profit of 7,000. You can see by yourself 10,000. The EA is still holding 11,000. Oh my, it has closed. Where are we now? We are in $36,000. Let's watch, guys. It is still early, date 8. I'm telling you, it is your prayer for them to hit your stop loss. You have been fearing stop loss. Here we are not fearing the stop loss. We ask them, hit our stop loss so that you can help us triple our account. We have already tripled our account, all right? We have already tripled our account. Let's watch when they give us like 4 times. If if they will give us like another, that will be 400 percent, my friend, then we can stop even that video there because you have seen this by yourself. So this is what you have been missing to understand about our system. It is our prayer, and I'm repeating this, for them to hit our stop loss so that it can make things easier for us to double the account. And you can see the lot size is 0.1, guys. 0.1, not even $1, not even $1, but 0.1. Let's wait and see if there is something new, or they are going to to increase our account, or maybe they will come for some of their money. No, not ours. We are already now protected. You can withdraw even your equity and let's play game with their money, right? And don't forget, I told you, if you want it to go fast, you can see now it's somehow going slow. You can just minimize, all right? You can get here in graph to see how the market is going. All right, we are still in 36. All right, we are doing this because it's still date 9, guys, and I wanted to see if we can have at least one more trade. Yeah, we have it now here. Oh my, hope this one, it will give us 10,000, or maybe let them hit our stop loss if they want to, so that we can recover a good money. If they hit our stop loss, we'll be targeting now $40,000. Trust me, this is the power of this system, all right? This is the power of the system. So let's wait and see. Are they going to hit our stop loss or what? All right. We don't care. We have already increased the risk. We were risking 3,000. Now we have risked even 6,000, because we want to get, this is the work of the system, automatically, automated, all right? We don't care. We don't care, man. We don't care. We don't care. If they want to hit, let them hit. We have increased the risk because we want more profits. So let us wait and see where this market is going. From $36,000. All right. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's see if, yeah, it's like coming on our way. Let's watch and see, guys. Oh my, drop, coming on our way, man. Right, all right. There we go. If we hit $40,000, we are good to go. That video would have ended earlier, my friend. Let's wait. Let's wait and see if we can hit there. All right, coming on our way to 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 trailing. Oh my, let's go. Oh my, 8,000. Wow, 9,000, 10,000. Check this place. $10,000 still dropping. Sorry for that, 9,000. So this means we are already in 40,000. Oh my, but let's wait and see what this EA will do. Will it close, or what is happening? Because you're not seeing even the trailing, meaning that the detectors are still detecting that this is a downfall for a broker, or what, it has closed. Oh my, let me pause there, because now you can see we were targeting even 40,000, but now you can see it is $50,000, and still a lot to recover, my friend. This is unbelievable to many, but it is what it is. Remember, they haven't touched any of our coin from $10,000. Review this video again and again. This is the power of TFX Gold Hunter for those people who love to trade gold. So if I tell you it is a must for you to double your account, trust what I'm saying. They can never again blow your account. You have seen this. They haven't touched any coin of our equity. We deposited 10,000, and they never go against or maybe pick any penny from us. We were risking their money, and now the account is with $50,000, and it is date 10. So it can close there and say, I don't want any money for this month. till next year, 2027. Guys, and I do believe that now you understand the power of our system. That was the result of Gold Hunter we have for other months, but now it's more advanced. And if you have the Gold Hunter, please make sure you contact me so that we can give you the updated one with these buttons as you wait for other methods. This one will be helping you. I'll be guiding you what to do with other methods because the gold is with the high risk, all right, and other methods. So you cannot just pick them three. You can pick one. If there is no signal, or if you get signal to another one and there is no signal, you can place buy or sell. So it will be very simple. I will be sharing with you with the private videos and other videos online. All right. So I do believe now you are very, very, very confident with the real live back testing about now the TFX Gold Hunter. And I do believe now you are ready to know, or maybe you have already building your confidence that this is what you have been looking for. So if you are the lover of trading gold, here we go. TFX Gold Hunter, it's all you need. Don't forget, it's only with 10 seats. Only 10 people, 10 fast people, you get it with only 600 lifetime license with free updates and mentorship. From date 16th of December, the system will be 1,000 for Christmas offer until date 1st of January 2025. Then from there, we'll go back to our normal price. The normal price of our EA is $2,000, where that will be resumed from now, the Christmas offer on 2nd January 2025. So it's up to you to grab the opportunity when it is in $600 or $1,000. The choice is yours. My part, I have played. We have done good job, my friend, and you deserve to have the banker. All right. And let me announce the good news about the people who bought our system in 2022. Okay, let me say even from last year. All right. The people who bought our system from last year, but not last year, I think 2022. Anyway, from last year and below, because we started programming the system from 2018. Please make sure you contact me so that I can give you with a Christmas offer, because you have been there with us since we started. So if you have any of our old system, whether you are profited or maybe you didn't make good profit as you expected, contact me. I have your special gift and offer for all our old members. All right. For now, all right, for now, it is good to give people or to share with people this Christmas or festive season. It is good to celebrate with everyone. So our old members, contact me. I have your good, and I do believe you love it. A good offer for our old members from 2023 and below, because those days we had an old system and they were not analyzing market or doing like the system we have. The system we have now, they can do they do full price action, SMC concept, and ICT. That's why they are more profitable and very safe. Our last system, they were not there to protect your account, all right? You are risking, but this one, it's 100% to protect your account. This is why I want our old member to come back and get any of our system with your special offers. You just hit my DM, you have my contact, and let me celebrate with you. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.